Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can host your own website on Wix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard for one of my sites and I'm going to create a new one. So just go to all sites. I could have just went to create a new site over there, but it doesn't really matter. You can do it this way anyway. And yeah, you can just create a new site. And it's first going to give you a prompt for AI, which I will promptly skip because I do not want to use AI for this, and I'll skip most of the steps just to get to the dashboard. Now, as you can see, I can hit skip all after one skip, and now it's preparing the dashboard for my site. And now, once this loads, I will officially have my site. It is pretty much empty, but the site does exist, and you need to go through these steps, which you can see on my screen, to connect to a custom domain, then design your website, and then get found on Google. As soon as you go over the Google steps for SEO, which you can see here under website and SEO, you will be able to put your website on the internet and people can find it. Now, Wix does offer free hosting, so you get 500 megabytes and 500 megabytes of bandwidth, 500 megabytes storage and bandwidth to, well, host your site on for free by using Wix's free domain. You can always upgrade it to get a better deal and to get more space and bandwidth, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.